Thanks for joining us. We're excited to walk you through the Oklahoma Joe's Tabletop Charcoal Grill, the Rambler's Easy Assembly. Let's get started. You'll need the following tools for today's assembly. Assemble your grill on a level, protective surface to prevent damage to the unit. The outer carton is ideal for this purpose. Place the carton topside up. Cut all four corners with a utility knife and allow the carton panels to lay flat. To attach the legs to the grill, remove the lid and turn the firebox on its back. Insert two 2-inch hex bolts in each leg and secure with flange nuts and fully tighten them. Flip the grill on its legs and place the lid on top of the grill with the hinges facing the back. Insert the hinge pins, making sure that both pins face the same direction. Secure the pins with two 1/2-inch hex bolts and 5mm flat washers. To install the smokestack, open the lid of the barrel and push it through from the inside. Then secure it with three 5/8-inch bolts and nuts, making sure to insert the bolts from the outside. Then attach the handle using four 5/8-inch bolts and nuts. Thread the temperature gauge into the bushing located on the lid. Adjust the gauge so it's aligned correctly. Then tighten the lock nut using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten or use the face of the gauge to tighten, as you could damage it. Attach the intake damper to the right side of the grill with two shoulder screws and hex nuts. Next, attach the handles to each side of the grill. Each handle needs four 1/2-inch hex bolts to secure it in place. Push the ash pan into the ash pan slot. Just a couple more steps to finish putting the grill together. To hang the charcoal tray, first put the hangers in. Lay them flat so the hooks go in, and then lift the hanger up and slide it down. Now lower the charcoal tray into the grill, hanging it on the hooks. You can raise and lower the tray by adjusting the handles up or down. After you lay the cast iron cooking grates on the grate supports, alright, you have finished assembling your Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill. Go to oklahomajoes.com for recipe inspiration and more.